Hello, my name is Cassidy Keller, and I decided to choose the study of natural killer T cells. I actually did this project alone, so enjoy my 4-minute video expressing NKT. Without further ado, natural killer T cells are lymphocytes that express both a T cell receptor, TCR, characteristics of adaptive immunity, and surface receptors for NK cells, which are part of the innate immune system. Now, you might be asking, what does that even mean? Well, they control several types of tumors and infections and limiting their spread and subsequent tissue damage. Here actually is an image of T cells attacking a cancer cell under the microscope. The NKT cells are the green and the cancer cells the purple. As you can see, they are in action. These cells influence diverse immune responses, including the surveillance of the tumors and the maintenance of self-tolerance and the regulation of autoimmune disease. It has been proven T cells have a crucial role in response of infectious agents. In these two images, they express enhancement of tumor immunity and suppression of tumor immunity. What's happening is the T cells are finding their way to the tumor cells to fight it off. Interesting fact, you can actually boost your NKT cells, your immune system, by actually just simply going into the sun and collecting some vitamin D, or even some vitamin C. Lastly, you could add a little bit of garlic into your diet, but that's not necessarily for me, but maybe it is for you. As you can see in this image, these T cells kill furogen cells, cancer cells, or cells infected with the virus. After the NKT cells attack, the infected cell simply dies. Sometimes for cancer patients, these cells are actually grown in labs and then given to the patient so they can fight off their cancer cells easier. Behind me, I have drawn a NKT cell here, and I'm going to label a few things that I feel are important to know. So right here we have the NK1.1 receptor. Down here we have the FC receptor. Looks like this. Up here we have this weird little thing, which it's usually really colorful. Here I have it as just one color. And this is the AB T cell receptor. It looks a little like this. Lastly, we see these little dots coming out of the cell. This is secreting cytokines. So secrete cytokines. This one I already have labeled. This is the porphyrin granzyme. And you see that I have a dotted line going through the cell because on this side we have NK cell related features, which we're not really focusing on that today. We're focusing on T cell related features, which is on this side, including the ABC T cell or ABT cell receptor. And down here we have secreting cytokines. And this is just the main image of what it looks like, just in case you're curious. Another interesting fact is that this man, Rolf Kiesling, discovered NKT cells in 1975, so this term hasn't even been around for very long. This diagram shows the location and expression to where and what type of cell is needed in the situation. On that note, NKT cells recognize protected microbial lipid agents, which are presented by CD1D, expressing antigen-presenting cells. This serves as a pathway for NKT cells to fight against infections and enhance the humoral immunity. The NKT cells provide support and help to B cells, which act as a microbial defense and did aid a targeting for B cell vaccines. So to sum up all of that information, NKT cells are basically your hidden superhero. They provide a security for unwanted viruses, cancers, and infections. So when you have the chance, give those NKT cells a really big thanks. Anyway, thank you for watching and listening, and I hope you and your natural killer T cells have a wonderful day.